Hello, my name's Andy. I'm the Technical Director for Penland Wholesale. We put a short video together showing our Blizzard range of tiered displays. We're going to cover the basics of the installation, what to watch out for and the location issues. Now, we've got the available in white, stainless steel and black. They all come with retractable night blind, so that you can pull the night blind down at night to conserve energy. Got a soft rise as well on the night blind. They do come with ticket strips and data strips on the front throughout the range. The features that we advertise on the Blizzard tier displays is the fully hydrocarbon, so they're more environmentally friendly for the environment, and also improved efficiency with the use of hydrocarbon refrigerants. One thing to watch out for is the location. You've got to be in a maximum ambient temperature of 25 degrees C, which applies to most open fronted type refrigerated displays. You've also got to make sure that there's no drafts that will go into the front of the cabinet, in particular air handlers from air conditioning systems that can severely affect the operation by blowing hot air into the unit, which will affect the cold air curtain, which goes down the front to keep the cold air onto the shelves. So the installation is important, that you allow plenty of ventilation, you don't obstruct the front grille at the bottom, and you leave plenty of ventilation at the back in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Now we've set up some thermometers. The lower one displays the temperature going onto the condenser, which represents your ambient temperature. This thermometer represents the temperature at the back of the unit where it's getting rid of all the hot air, and the top one is the cabinet temperature inside. Now this one, in a correctly installed cabinet, has got air in at 24 degrees C, air out at the back at 30 degrees C, and the cabinet temperature is 6.6 degrees C. Now what we're going to replicate here is we're going to push the cabinet back to the wall, and then we're going to look at these temperatures again just to show the effects of a machine that's not been installed correctly, where it can't get rid of this heat at the back and you will have temperature issues. To explain the problems associated with lack of ventilation, we've pushed the unit against the wall, and to explain the differences, we've got the air in at 22, the air out at the back is now up to 44, this explains what happens, and the internal temperature has gone up to 9.9. So the differences are when the cabinet's not installed properly, it will affect your operating temperature, and you will have problems with ventilation at the back, so you can't get rid of that heat. As part of the regular maintenance, you have to observe the warning notice above the front grille. There is a condenser behind this front grille which needs cleaning periodically, and we do recommend it's done once a month. Now before you start moving any panels, you need to switch the unit off. So you switch all the switches off on the front, and also unplug it from the electrical supply and make sure that it's totally disconnected before you remove any panels. To get access to this, you pull the front panel down and it will lift off, move to one side, so you can brush clean the condenser or hoover it to get rid of any dust that builds up over a period of time. If that gets coated with dust, the unit will start overheating and your product temperature will be affected.